Mom, I made a mini slide right here.
Nice.
I have to fix it though. And Mom, over there is my
Mark.
snow fort.
Get set. Go!
So cute. Hi, Kaylin.
Okay, get
Yeah?
Okay.
You loving it?
I'll go, Mom.
Okay.
Watch out.
Here comes
Over there.
Ellen.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! That was far.
That was funny.
You sure it's not that cold out here?
No.
You're getting a little clumsy. It's about, what time is it about right now, do you think?
8 o'clock.
It's about 7:30.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
You ready?
Set.
What do I say? You ready, set?